Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, April 20th, and I've been doing some trading, and I'm having terrible internet problems tonight. I had to shut down for a bit and come back online, and I seem to be okay now, though. So I am going to continue to trade. I am waiting for I think it's the fourth code 2 that I called within my charting service. I'm going to take that one. What I believe it will do is roll over here and give a short entry and come on down, which is what I called for today for oil to do. And but what it's probably going to do is pop back up here a little bit, and then it's going to roll over and come back down. Or it's possible it could just come down and then keep coming down. That is possible. But I am going to wait for the computer to tell me which direction it's going to go, just so I can make absolute sure, even though I think it's going to go down. And it will also give me a precision level entry as well. So anyway, I will come back once I've taken the entry. Okay, I've got a short position here. I think it's just going to drop out. It's going to drop out. We have a code, fourth code 2, saying go short. It's just going to drop out. It's going to go below here. I'm going to go for a quick and easy 40 ticks on this trade. I'll be right back. Exit is down here at 50.41 for 40 ticks. This should be a very easy and quick trade here. Anyway, for all of you out there that are struggling at this, don't worry, I'm about to help you. I'm here in Thailand now. I'm in a very good time zone. It's not that difficult for me to help you. It's just that I've been having the time of my life over here for the last year and a half. And now I'm ready to settle down and to help all of you to make money at this. Because quite a few of you are struggling. And, so I don't want you to struggle. Don't want you to lose your money. I'll help you out. And we'll work together. And I'll help you make money. I'm also going to be doing a fund, so I'm going to be aggressively trading that, doing multiple different things. And I may just stop with that right there because I'm going to be pretty busy doing that. I really wanted to get the word out to the world that this was all controlled by a computer, but I'm being, attacked for that on one hand, and then on another hand, nobody really cares. Because the bottom line, everybody just needs money, and that's the most important thing. So instead of trying to blow the whistle like I've been doing, I'll just help you make money, and I'll make money too in the fund, because I'm going to have a pretty large fund, and I'll be able to make a lot of money with that. So anyway, the most important thing is for me to help all of you that really need it to make money at this. Help is on the way. I probably am going to have to stop doing this trading here like this because I'm going to be too busy sending out signals, too busy setting up the signals to get them going out, and too busy doing the trading in a fund. So I'm going to have to stop these videos. Really sorry about that, but I'm just going to be too busy. I'm not going to be able to do it anymore. So anyway, I'll have the signal sent up. I'll announce it on YouTube. I'll put it on the website. They'll be ready to go for those of you that want it. And there's going to be quite a few of you that do. So I'm here to help. I'll come back and show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade, but it should be good for 40 ticks, no problem. It's going to break below here. It's doing exactly what I said it would do in my charting service, that it would go red and go down for today. We'll see how far it goes, but I call this exactly within my charting service. And also the fourth code also likes to go short all the time. So it's doing exactly what it should be doing. I'll come back. By the way, I have the stop set at 50.89, so just an 8 tick stop right there. Okay, it's moving down here. Just needs to get down to 50.41 for 40 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, it just came up and hit the stop. I have got a long position here. So let me look at this. We have got a confirmation, mathematical confirmation of a long entry of code 2. The only problem with this is we have another code 2. We have a fifth one. It is possible it could roll over and go short. But for now, I am long, and until it shows short, I'm going to stay long. I'll be right back. I think it's going to roll over right here and go down off the fifth code. I am watching it here. If it gives a short signal, I'm going to reverse the position and go short. Now, it's a very tricky, choppy day today. Not an easy day today. It's been pretty choppy. What's going on is the code is saying go short, and then another code says go long, and then another code says go short, and then another code says go long. It just keeps rocking back and forth, and making for a difficult day today. So I am still looking for the signal for the fifth code here. Let's see what it's going to say. It's either going to say long or go short. I'm already long, so if it says go long, I'm going to hold it. If it says go short, I'm going to reverse the position. I'll come back. It would be good at this point if it were to say go long, because then we would have two codes going long. That would be good, so it should continue to go up if that happens. If it goes short, it would be doing the same, what I called for oil to do today, which is go down. But I'm nowhere near certain of that anymore. But if this code does go down, then it would go down. But otherwise, it's going to go up here. Still don't have a signal. Looking for one now. Okay, I do have a soft signal on the code, on the fifth code, to go long here, but it may still roll over. There's not a strong signal right now. Since I'm already long, I'm just going to hold it. And let's see what this thing wants to do. I'm just going to go for 40 ticks if I can get it. 40 ticks is up here at 51.30. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I have reversed the position here. It's going to be a fairly small stop if I'm wrong, and it continues to go back up. If it does, let me set the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, it's not as small as I thought it was. This thing's moving around quite a bit here. If it were to go back up and hit the stop, I would go long. I don't think that's going to happen. What's going to happen is what I said would happen within my charting service. It is going to go down today and make a red bar like that. And so it's using this code right here to do it with. I thought it was going to use the last one to do it with, but it didn't pop back up. So now it's going to use this one to do it with. This is the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth code. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's the fifth code. This one's the fifth code called out within my charting service. And this one's going to roll over right here and go down. And I'm going to be right in what I said in my charting service, that it would go down today and go red. It just did one whopper of a fake out going both ways before it did it. You know, it started off the beginning of the day over here sideways, and then dropped down during the Euro session, and then chopped around a bit during the USA Open, and then moved up moved up, and then moved back down, and then moved up again, and now it's going to make its move down. Very tricky, very choppy today. Not an easy day to trade today, that's for sure, unlike yesterday, which was super easy. But you know, and that's why some of you struggle at this, because you don't have the experience I do with this. I've been doing this for years, so that's why you need me to give you signals, which is what I'm going to do, and help you out, and help you to make money at this. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so my exit is down here at 50.48, which puts me below the low over here at 50.58. Puts me 10 ticks below the low for 40 ticks. And it should make it no problem. Piece of cake. So anyway, And for you code traders out there, one of the ways that you can know that it will do that is two ways. Number one, it hasn't moved very much. It's only gone from here up to here to here. So really the range is here to here. That's all it's gone so far. That's not very much of a move. Second of all, you know from the daily. I already called this to happen exactly like it looks. I called it. Now it's going to go down and make a red bar like that, or like that, or like that, or like that. Maybe a red bar and pop back up a little bit, but it should continue down first, then maybe pop back up a little bit, maybe, or or something like that. So that's what it's going to look like at the end of the day. And it'll go down and hit the exit and go a little bit below that bar right there, a little bit below that line, and come down and hit the exit 10 ticks below it. So you see, I called this in the charting. I called out the codes. All the codes worked except for the first one. The first code did not work, but the other ones all have. But they were tricky. They were not easy to see. They're very tricky, and caught me as well. So anyway, this one's going to be good to go. It's the last code, and it'll make it. And I'll come back and show it to you. I do not know what's wrong with this thing today. It is chop city today. Just wants to chop all over the place for some reason. I don't know why. This trade still may work out, but if it doesn't, I'm just going to call it a day, because there's no more codes left anyway, so I don't have anything to take. It's just going up and down in between, up and down chopping really super bad. Anyway, hopefully this code will still work. If not, then I'll just call it a day. Come back. It's really late out here in Thailand now, so I am gonna just bail on this trade. There is a pretty good chance that it will continue to go down and make the exit, but there isn't a good enough mathematical chance for me to not bail on this trade here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bail on it. I'll come back in about maybe 10-15 minutes and see where it's at, and then I'm just gonna get out wherever it is. I'll come back. Okay, after looking at it again, I've decided to go ahead and hold this trade because, thinking about it logically, it should make it to the exit. The whole time it's been really, really tight. What it's going to do is it's going to use the one trade per day to make it to the exit. And if you look, for you charting members out there, if you look back at the charts, you'll see that's what it keeps doing. And so I'm just going to hold it. The mathematical chances of it making to the exit are very good. I wouldn't say very good. They're probably close to 70% or so, which is pretty good math. So I'm just going to let this one go, turn my back. I got the original stop on it, let it go, and when I get up in the morning, we'll see if it made it. So anyway, I am going to sleep. See you when I wake up.